So this is it. So this is the difference between this and this. And the last spline is an equation driven spline. So normally there are some curves you can't draw it. So let me briefly talk about it. You just have to enter the equation, then the parameters. So just like a straight line. So equation of a straight line is y is equal to x. So basically, let me enter something. Okay, let me enter x plus 2. Okay, now let me start from here. Let me make this one 1. So this one is, if you point it over it tells you select to lock or unlock the start point location on the case. Then the other one is the end. I'm sure the end point. So you can lock or unlock them. So let's leave them as how they are. So let's make this place 10. Okay. And once we click outside, you see it starts to draw a straight line. So assuming we have equation of a circle, you can use the equation of a circle to generate a circle, type of circle you want. If it's an ellipse, it generates the type of ellipse you want. So based on the equation, we also have the parametric. The parametric is when there are other variables in it. So you just enter the values in your equation, then the values, then automatically generates it for you. So let's accept this. You see, we get our straight line. We didn't necessarily have to use the line to do this. Okay, so this is with the spline. Let me delete it. You can delete by just dragging around it to select it. Then you hit delete on your keyboard, giving me the option I can delete it. Then I cannot do this. So once I select this, hit delete. Okay, because they are separated, so let me do it one by one. Okay. Then the next one is we have actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles, and I'll shortly talk about each of them. So let's talk about the corner rectangle. So the corner rectangle gives you the ability to draw a rectangle from this and then point. So let me select another one. Draw another rectangle. Draw another rectangle. Draw another rectangle. Basically, it's from the end point. That's with the first corner rectangle, and the second one is the center rectangle. I will draw the rectangle from the center. Okay, so I can come to the center here and draw another rectangle. Draw another rectangle here. Its origin is the center. And the next is the 3-point corner rectangle. So this, it draws a rectangle by using 3 points. So 1, 2, then the last one drags it 3. Then it creates the rectangle. Let's do another one again. 1, 2, 3. The next one is the 3-point center rectangle. It also uses 3 points, but it uses a different style. So the first one is a start from the center. Okay, so assuming this is the center. So the center is what I've clicked. Then begins to draw it. Good. Let's do another one again. Click, that's the center. You drag it to the point, the length you want. You click again, and you begin to lengthen the whole thing. Good. Then the last one, which is the parallelogram. You hit the first point, second, then the third point you can actually move it about. based on the angle of inclination you want it to be. Good. So this is it. To get this parallelogram, let's do it again. 1, 2. Good. So this is how the spline tool and the rectangle tool is used.